Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Beauty Forever here once more. This is the packaging that I got everything in, and we're just gonna jump straight into what we got. I love the fact that, you know, they just sent a drawstring bag, so it's not too bulky and easy to store, you know, when you're ready to store your wig. But these are what came into the package. I got 2 pairs of wig caps, a branded elastic headband, and then this is today's wig. This is Beauty Forever's 7x5 bye-bye knots drawstring lace closure glueless wig, and it's a highlighted one. As you can see, this is the construction of the cap, and as you can see, the drawstring is in the back. Something about a good drawstring wig I absolutely love and will recommend 100 times. This makes wearing a glueless wig super convenient because there's absolutely no slips or shift when wearing a wig like this. There's also a elastic band on the inside of the cap that is very easy to adjust, and all my beginners will find this quite convenient to go ahead and install on their own. You don't need any salon to go ahead and install this wig. It's super straightforward and very easy, and I love how gorgeous it is. Went ahead and adjusted the drawstring in the back, and that was super easy. I just used a very small knob to kind of lock everything in place, and then I took away the string beneath the cap, and that's it. You see how easy it is? It's not technical at all.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
So you can also switch up your parting space because you do have quite a bit of parting space to work with. I love the fact that the knots are already pre-bleached. As you can see, this wig came fully everything for you, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so it looks just like scalp, and it's a 7x5 portion that you're working with. So you could go ahead and do a center part, you could do an updo, which I'm gonna get into a few and show you a few different styles that I did. So this was the first one I did, like a mid updo or half up half down, and this is super easy. This is just, you know, me giving you options so you could switch up the look with the same wig.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
So that was look number 1, and now for look number 2, I'm pretty much gonna do like a zigzag part. So you see, you have all this space working with, so, you know, have fun, you know, have fun with it and explore different looks. I did like 2 buns, like low buns at the back, and even though it's not a full-on 360 wig, it still came off looking so realistic. I absolutely love the versatility, and you see how secure the wig is on my head, no shifting, and it's completely glueless. So super top tier, absolutely love it. Now for the next look, I pretty much just went in and I explored the side part that it came with. I got my hot comb to lay the top really nice and flat, and you could go ahead and wear this just as it is in its dry state. So I didn't put any water or any product to the hair. I just wanted to embrace that really nice, full, fluffy, curly look.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken
and that's absolutely stunning. Then I moved on, and all I added into the wig here was water. Nothing but water. Nothing at all, because I do not want to ultimately weigh the hair down. I want it to still fluff up back, but I wanted to redefine those curls, or waves rather. So I just applied water, and this is how the hair looks. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. As I said, minimal shedding, super convenient. Beauty Forever, you did that. I love the fact that they added the drawstring. It is definitely, this wig is a steal. You know, so I went ahead and I linked the direct link down below in the description box for you guys. So if you're interested in getting this or any other wig that they may have, you can go ahead and explore their website. All the specifications will be listed down below. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.